Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by verifying compatibility and making basic changes that reveal common faults. Check your iPhone iOS and the car's CarPlay support. Update software if needed. Use an Apple-certified cable. Swap ports to rule out a bad jack. If wireless, confirm Bluetooth and Wi-Fi are active. Restart both the phone and the car head unit to clear transient errors. Once done, make sure CarPlay is allowed under Settings General CarPlay. Once basic restarts don't fix it, dig into system-level settings to find persistent causes. Open Settings General CarPlay, select the vehicle, then choose Forget this car. Repair to rebuild the connection. If wireless problems persist, reset network settings on your iPhone. This clears Bluetooth pairings and Wi-Fi networks, so backup passwords first. Meanwhile, check the car's head unit firmware and CarPlay toggle. Many stalls are due to disabled phone access or outdated infotainment software. You finish by applying last resort but controlled fixes. Try a soft reset of the infotainment system to clear app-level crashes. Avoid full factory resets until you document settings. Install the latest firmware on both phone and car. Updates often fix CarPlay bugs. If possible, test with another iPhone to isolate the issue. And if nothing works, gather screenshots and exact error messages. Then contact the dealer or Apple support. This saves time and helps them reproduce the fault for a solution.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.